Good morning. Subihan Aksan. Miss you. Love you people. How are you? This morning, I thank God I'm alive. I'm here. I want to teach you Somali language and English. For example, Bero, garden, mas, snake, mukdi, duck, masar, axe, nyambo, jembe, suq, market, tugan, shop, swali, question, wood, albah, dhambi, mistake, nin, husband, nak, wife, sad, clock or watch, hor, right, daktar, doctor, dagal, argument or fight, mshari, porridge, cat, bisat, ano, milk, alen, leaves or tea leaves, alol, stomach, duck, wash, jilip, knee, mar, fruit, jawan, sack, the sack that you use to carry on or in your things, daga, stone, ilka, teeth. Thank you for watching. I love you. Take care. Have a nice day. Ani wakuchela, yeah?